Hello, I'm Koretia Williams, and I'm a research project specialist at the MetroHealth System. And my primary responsibility is to bring clinical trials for cancer research. Clinical trials are so important because they bring more effective cancer treatments to patients. Every treatment we do today is because of a clinical trial that was done previously, even aspirin. Our goal is to be able to offer a clinical trial to every cancer patient that walks through our doors. MetroHealth has access to many clinical trials. We can have up to 40 active clinical trials at one time for our patients. When we say active, we are talking about clinical trials that are actively enrolling participants, or in other words, our patients. We have clinical trials that may follow a patient for life and some clinical trials that follow them for a shorter period of time. Some of the benefits of participating in clinical trials include participants play a more active role in their own health care and can make decisions about their enrollment in clinical research. This gives patients the chance of receiving promising new therapies that are not available outside of clinical trials. Through clinical trials, our patients receive access to potential new therapies. Also, those participants enrolled in a clinical trial are monitored more closely by our team. And as a result of participating in clinical trials, we are contributing to future cancer therapies that can help other cancer patients. Participation by people of color, diverse backgrounds, LGBTQ+, and underserved communities ensures that results of clinical trials are meaningful to all patients. When clinical trials don't include everyone, medicines are slower to become FDA approved. We know many people of color are hesitant to participate in clinical trials because of the Tuskegee study and Henrietta Lacks, trials in which people weren't treated properly. That doesn't happen at MetroHealth. We do everything we can to make patients comfortable with enrolling in a clinical trial. First, it's important to remember you are not a guinea pig. Patients will always receive treatment for their cancer, not only a placebo, a harmless pill, medicine, or procedure, or no treatment. No research will take place until a participant signs an informed consent form stating all their questions have been answered and they freely agree to participate. In some cases, we need to move quickly because of the aggressiveness of the cancer, but we will always make time to answer all your questions and make sure you have the information you need to feel comfortable about your decision. Some clinical trials cover the cost of cancer therapies, such as CT scans and blood tests, so the patient does not have to worry about the costs. Concerns about any cost-related research can be discussed with oncology care providers and clinical research team. Every clinical trial has a protocol or set of instructions regarding who is eligible to participate. If a patient does not fit the criteria for a particular clinical trial, they will not be eligible to enroll. But these and all patients will receive full cancer care treatment at MetroHealth, even if not enrolled in a clinical trial. Patients can learn more about research and clinical trials by calling the Cancer Center Research Team at MetroHealth at 216-778-7328, option 5, or visit our website at metrohealth.org/research/clinical-trials. Thank you.